Hello, it's Mr. Lomax with a quick video about the first part of your culminating activity. The only part that's mandatory, all the others you choose from amongst a bunch of choices, but everybody has to do this one. It's the essay about how you have grown. Now, in class, I reminded you that there are a total of 9 parts to your culminating activity. The essay on how you have grown is worth 7 writing points. You have to get a total of 9 writing points at least. You can do more. I reminded you about essay structure as well. Right? The introduction paragraph is a triangle pointing down because it goes from a general hook to grab your reader's attention to an explanation of your topic to your thesis statement. And your thesis statement has 3 subtopics in it. Those 3 subtopics will guide your 3 body paragraphs, and those are seek paragraphs. It's often a good idea to begin them with the transition words first, furthermore, and finally. And of course, in your conclusion, you restate your thesis, often in fewer words, a more condensed sentence. And after that, maybe a few further thoughts about what's next or about some further insight. I also showed you this example about cats. I'm not going to read the whole thing again, but it's worth reading this essay, which is pretty decent. Notice the last sentence of the introductory paragraph is the thesis statement. After that, we've got 3 body paragraphs. A first about the companionship of cats, a furthermore about how civilized they are, and a finally about how they're easy to care for. And after that, we've got a final paragraph which restates the thesis, note in much fewer words, and then has some final thoughts at the end. So, given all of that, you can see that an essay is actually pretty easy to write. And your assignment is this. You're going to write an essay about how you have grown and learned during this class. A model thesis statement for this essay might look like one of these 2. And the whole idea of my giving you those is to make it really easy to do well. Right? You could do, during this class, I have grown and learned a lot, particularly in the areas of this, and this. Those could be like reading, writing, thinking, responsibility, and so on. Or, during this class, my growth and learning is clear in the way I do this, and do this. And again, you would have perhaps 3 verbs after that, like read, write, listen to others, come up with ideas, think deeply, whatever you need. And that's it. That is your essay assignment for this part of your culminating activity.